Hi friends, lazy loading in Angular is an important concept and I have explained this in short in few of my videos. But many of you have asked me to explain this in a separate video in detail. Let me explain in this video. Lazy loading in Angular is a technique used to load only the necessary modules, components or assets when they are required, rather than loading everything at the initial application startup. This can significantly improve the performance of your Angular applications, especially for large projects with many features. Lazy loading allows you to load a module only when the user navigates to a route that requires it. This can reduce the initial bundle size and decrease the initial load time of your application. So, how can we implement lazy loading in Angular? Lazy loading is commonly implemented in Angular using the Angular router. When defining our routes, we can use the loadChildren property to specify the module that should be lazily loaded when a certain route is accessed. I am going to show you the power of lazy loading using a simple example. I have created this application. In this application, I have a home module, a header component, a feature module in which I have some components those I am using throughout the application, and then I have dashboard 1 module and dashboard 2 module. And let me show you the application. When the application loads, I am showing the home page. And then if I click this, I can go to the dashboard 1. And on clicking this, I can go to the dashboard 2. Okay, let me show you the app routing module. We can see I am loading all the 3 modules eagerly. Now if I open the network tab and refresh the application, we can see the entire main.js bundle has been loaded. And as it has been loaded already, if I go to other pages, it will be opened immediately. But in this approach, the initial load time will be more. This application is very small, and so we can see the size of the main.js is going to be only in few KBs. But in larger applications, it could be in few MBs, and so it will affect the initial load time. Initial load time is an important metric while speaking about performance. Okay, now let me lazy load the dashboard 1 module. And as we are lazy loading this module, we can comment this in the app module imports array. Now let me refresh. We can see the size of the main.js bundle has been reduced. Thereby it is decreasing the initial load time. Now if I go to the dashboard 2, as we are eagerly loading, this will be already part of the main bundle and so it will load immediately. But if I go to the dashboard 1, we can see now only the dashboard 1 bundle is getting downloaded and so there may be slight delay. This is what lazy loading means. Only when we are going to that route, it will be downloaded. Okay, let me lazy load the dashboard 2 module as well. Now if I refresh, we can see the main bundle has been reduced a lot. If I go to dashboard 1, we can see that bundle is downloaded. And if I go to dashboard 2, that bundle is getting downloaded. If I go back to dashboard 1, as it has been already downloaded, it won't download again. This is how we can use lazy loading to improve the performance of our application. In this small application, you may not feel the performance difference. But in larger applications, you can see the performance improvement visually. Hope you understood. That's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you. Bye.